Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Sperm, and today we are discovering 5 latest tips and tricks on iOS that you should really try. These are some hidden features and lesser known tricks that you can use to get the most out of your iPhones. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Number 5. Custom text replacement. For all those acronyms lovers out there, do you know you can write full word using just acronyms? You can set up these text replacements by holding emoji button and tapping on settings, then select text replacement, tap on plus button at the top right corner, type a phrase in the phrase field and the text shortcut you want to assign to it in the shortcut field. Number 4. Use back tap to control your iPhone with your fingers. Back tap is a new feature in iOS 16 that allows you to double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform different actions. To enable it, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch and tap on back tap. Tap double tap or triple tap and choose any action. Then enjoy your shortcut by double tapping or triple tapping at the back of your iPhone. Copy text in photos, videos or image. This is a great way to quickly get the text from a signed document or even handwritten notes. Just open the camera app and pinpoint it at the text that you want to transcribe, and then tap and hold on the text to copy it. Number 2. Use focus to filter out distractions. Focus is a feature in iOS 15 and further that allows you to create different profiles to focus on different tasks or activities. It lets you stay in the moment when you need to concentrate or step away from your device. You can customize focus setting and choose when you want to receive alert and notification while letting the other people and app know that you are busy. You can enable focus by going into the settings app and enjoy your focus period in peace. Number 1. Use Magnifier app to zoom in on a small object. This app will automatically zoom in and display the object on your screen. You can search for Magnifier app in the app library if you can't find it on the home page. You can launch the app and you have got a magnifier in your pocket. You can adjust brightness and contrast for better reading experience, and you can select one of many filters such as black and white. So these were all the tips and tricks that we have for today. Like the video if you liked it, share it with your friends and subscribe if you want more of these. Thanks for watching.